Manage your Facebook page with new admin access. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. Look below and expand Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings from the top. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Page Setup. Now select Page Access. Here you can see all current admins and moderators you already have. Tap on Add New next to people with Facebook access. Now, read all the information and tap on Next. Enter the name of the person you want to add. Select the correct profile from the search results. Facebook will show all permissions that person will get. In the bottom, scroll down and enable the option, Allow this person to also have full control. This will make them an admin with full page control. Tap on Give Access. Enter your Facebook account password, and then tap on Confirm. An invitation will now be sent to that person. Once they accept it, they will become an admin of your Facebook page. And that's it.